As Australia's leading EV charging experts, we wanted to help you better understand the main differences between rapid and ultra-rapid DC chargers. To showcase the speed and power differences between rapid and ultra-rapid chargers, it helps, for context, to start from the baseline of a portable or contingency AC charger. Portable chargers will give you around 10 kilometers of range per hour of charge, and a home charger around 35 to 50 kilometers, the same with public AC charging stations. With DC rapid charging, like a typical 50 kilowatt unit, you'll get 240 kilometers of range per hour of charge. Once we step up to ultra rapid charging, and depending on the capabilities of your EV, it will be able to charge much faster, with around 80% of charge in under 30 minutes. Both rapid chargers and ultra rapid chargers are for use at public charging locations, and they usually incur a small cost per kilowatt hour, which is how we measure energy stored in batteries. Depending on the site operator, DC rapid and ultra rapid typically incur a small cost for their use to cover the cost and convenience of being able to charge so quickly. Costs tend to vary, with prices ranging from being completely free to 60 cents per kilowatt hour. How much you pay for charging is typically in direct proportion to how much you consume, just like your home energy bill. The next thing we should discuss is how to activate and use a public charger and the cost of doing so. A charger could be in a free-to-use mode, but may require the use of an app via services like that of ChargeFox to activate charging sessions. This helps operators understand the level of EV demand. There's the pay-to-use via an app, again, like that of ChargeFox, where you can check the rates to charge and activate your charge session. Lastly, and more commonly, for fleet operators or for those in apartments with shared chargers, there is RFID card access, which is set up to be billed back to an account. For DC rapid or ultra rapid charging, where you have a Japanese vehicle, chances are it will come with a CHAdeMO port. For everyone else, including Tesla, they'll most likely come with a CCS2 plug or suitable adapter. Almost all DC public chargers will have either both CHAdeMO and CCS2 options, or just CCS2 in the case of ultra rapid chargers, but it's a good idea to check ahead of time. You'll generally find DC rapid chargers in locations like bigger shopping centres, petrol stations, and public parking lots. And ultra rapid chargers are generally found on major highways and custom-built ultra rapid sites. The best way to find either a rapid charger or an ultra rapid charger is via apps like ChargeFox, PlugShare, Google Maps, or even your car satellite navigation system. Tesla also have their own supercharger network, which consists of rapid charging DC-powered superchargers. But unless you have a Tesla vehicle, you won't be able to use a Tesla charger even if you can plug in. But this may change in the future. With Tesla starting to trial opening up their public charging network to other brands of EVs. A question we do get asked from time to time is, will rapid or ultra rapid charging damage my battery or wear it out quicker? The answer can depend on a lot of different factors and usage patterns over longer periods. In short, your EV is designed to be able to use either method of charging comfortably. DC rapid charging is often a great solution for quickly recovering charge on longer trips and in between your regular standard AC charging sessions. Depending on your vehicle's battery type or chemistry, keeping your battery between 20% and 80% state of charge will help ensure a healthy service life, with the occasional charge to 100% via AC to help maintain and balance your battery pack. If you would like any further information about what we've covered here, please get in touch or visit us at jetcharge.com.au. And remember to use the discount code in the video notes to receive a discount on your next purchase. We look forward to creating an electric future together.